Hi everyone, Jennifer from Tarle Speech. We are kicking it old school today for the question of the week. We're back to word comparisons. I have two words today. I have sting, which is a carefully planned operation, a small, sharp, pointed part of a bug that can wound you, and stingy, which is unwilling to spend money, being very ungenerous. So let's break these words down. We have several differences here. Let's talk about difference number one, syllables. In sting, we have one syllable or one beat in this word. And in stingy, we have two beats or two syllables in this word. Difference number two, in sting, this is the symbol for the NG sound. That's two letters written with one sound. To say that sound, the tip of your tongue is low in your mouth. It's not touching your top teeth. Your tongue is touching the top teeth for that N sound here in stin. So for the N, touch the top teeth, stin. And for the NG, touch the bottom teeth, You don't really have to touch the bottom teeth for that NG. It just needs to be in the bottom of your mouth. So let's also talk about something that might be difficult for people, that ST sound. Tip number one, just say the S sound. Don't add an extra vowel before. It's not a sting or a stingy. It's st, st. I'm just starting with that S sound. Air is moving out of my mouth. My tongue is not touching my teeth. Then I touch my teeth to stop that air for that T. St, st, st. Okay. And then let's also talk about this J sound here. For the J sound, you want to touch your teeth like you would for the D sound. D, d, d. Your tongue is going to be there to start that J sound as well. And then your tongue is going to pull back in your mouth. J, j, j. Okay, so that's a lot to think about. But remember, ST, no vowel before. NG, tip of the tongue is down, back of the tongue is pulled up. N, touching the back of the top front teeth. And then the J, you're going to start in that place where the N sound is, and then pull your tongue back. All right, let's give these a try. We have sting, 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 sting. Now for word two, two beats. Stingy, 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 stingy. And we're stressing the stin. So we have sting, 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 stingy, stingy, stingy. And now for a sentence. The bee sting hurt the stingy man. Give it a try. I know people are going to notice the difference. Let me know in the comments. Are you glad we have some old school questions of the week back? Let me know if you have any questions. I'd love to hear it. I love to help. Thanks so much, everyone, and have a great weekend.